Steve, welcome to my workshop and to Ferric Wood Stuff.
Just need to replace the handle on this bread knife.
I start off by tracing the handle on a notepad and then capture some of the dimensions. In the end I didn't really need to do this. I found this piece of cherry in the offcuts bin. It's got some interesting looking grain, so I'll use this for the handle. Just measuring and marking out the width that I need for the handle and cut it down on the bandsaw. This is the real reason why I didn't need to measure, so I just traced the existing handle on the piece of timber and back to the bandsaw to cut it out. For the old handle, this is well past its sell by date. Bit of file action on the brass rivets and they'll just come out of the knife. I was reasonably careful with these as I thought I might have to use these rivets again on the new handle. A little bit of plain action, just taking the handle sides and making them smooth into a decent size. Then again, using the old handle, I just trace it out on this blank. And sand to the profile that I scribed on the disc sander and then the drum sander. Actually, it's an oscillating bobbing sander, not a drum sander. The old handle is definitely a good template, using it to mark out the holes for where the rivets go. Now sewing down the handle to accept the blade. Not my best work, I've got to admit. Probably should have done this on the bandsaw. It's been a while since I've used my handsaw, so you do need a bit of practice because it's you do lose it a little bit. I'm just popping some little chamfers in each side of the hole to accommodate the rivet head. Found a length of brass bar in my toolbox. I used this for when I did a homemade bevel gauge, as I recall. Anyway, so no need to save the existing rivets, so I made some new ones out of this bar. Final bit of profiling work on the handle, just a little chamfer at the edge. Insert the blade. Put in the rivets and peen away. The final shaping of the handle.
I know I don't really need it, but I've got some food to finish, so I'll just finish handling that. Not the best riveting. It's tight enough, and it'll live to fight another day.
Thanks for watching. Please leave comments. I try to reply to all. Like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. Another video coming along very soon, and happy woodworking.